Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Joseph Hammer, and I'm going to explain how to use the Counseling Psychology Faculty Research Interests list. To find the list, go to my website, drjosephhammer.com, go to the Psych Grad School menu, and you'll find it here. Once you're on the landing page, click on this link, and that will bring you to the list. I'll briefly explain how to use the list. Most stuff is self-explanatory. I will mention that the specialty Co means counseling psychology. There are some programs that are combined programs that incorporate both counseling psych and school psych, for example. So that would look something like Co/SC. If you see Co/CL, that means counseling and clinical, and you might see some that are all three as well. Over here, for the research interests, to be able to see everything that's in the cell, go up here to the viewer, click and drag to bring the line down so that you can see the entire contents of the cell. You can sort by any columns alphabetically, which is pretty cool. And you can also go to File, Download to download this resource as an Excel file or a PDF, or add it to your Google Drive if you wish. I do want to mention that if you have any questions about how we built the list and decided what to include, everything is articulated in the list methodology page, including if you see an error, how to request a fix for that error. And below is a tag cloud that displays visually what research interest terms were used most frequently across the 500 plus faculty members that were coded into this database. So it's kind of a cool thing that you can find a term here, maybe it's interesting to you, and you can go back to the list and search for what faculty members may have mentioned that term. So I hope this resource is useful to folks. Would love your feedback on it, and please share it with folks who would find it helpful. Thanks a lot. Bye.